here is our setup. We are making around 40 knits with Whisk. So this is just our whole table set up in the kitchen of how we are assembling these. These are what are inside of the gift boxes. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We made our own personalized tag. This is cricketed on this little mitt from the Dollar Tree. This is from the Dollar Tree, and this is from the Dollar Tree. These little bags I found on half price at Hobby Lobby. Some cards, you can find them at Dollar Tree. We bought the candy canes in bulk at Sam's Club, and then we just printed these little Deck the Halls 5 fun games, and it's from my... Okay, first I'm going to line this box with tissue paper, and I just folded this in half a little bit, just a little crease in it so that for presentation it looks nice. So I already have one side in there. I just gently lay it in here so that it fits nicely in there like this. As you can see, it's lined in there really well. And then I'm going to put the oven mitt in there. Here's the little card game with the candy canes. And then I just get tissue paper, and I'm just going to fill it in here so that it fills the space so that it doesn't move around everything. Our family wanted to do something for an angel tree for all the families, and so this is what we came up with. And it really turned out cute. The kids were able to help fill these little bags with candy canes. We were able to do these little tags and just hot glue them because this was glittery, so it wouldn't stick with double-sided tape. Okay, so you have that all together, and then we just fold it nice and neat here. You fold that side and see how pretty that looks, and it's lined up pretty good. We had all the men fold these for us, and some of them aren't exactly even, but they look pretty good. And then I just found these little label sticker things to secure this. It was just something I had here. I would have put maybe a round label. I would have ordered somewhere, got some at Hobby Lobby. And then we just, these gift boxes are robe size boxes, and they were half price, so they were 75 cents each. 2 come in a package, and everything's on sale at Hobby Lobby at during the Christmas season. And then we just taped it, all 4 corners, just with regular tape. And we are putting a Christmas card on the front of these. I guess you could do it for, you know, teachers, fire departments, police departments, libraries, you know, your librarians, different senior citizens groups. And this Christmas card is just a card from the Dollar Tree, and it just says, from our family to yours. And we're just going to take that on the top there. And this gift is ready to go. We're just going to tape it there so that it says, they'll be able to see that. But that is the whole gift. It costs $6 to put the whole gift together. From the tissue paper, the boxes, the Christmas card, and everything inside the gift was $6 per gift, total package. So it's a great economical gift to give away if you're doing bulk, or even if you're just doing it for the family. So I just wanted to share this great idea that we all pitched in together and just assembled. Everybody just got together and assembled this Christmas gift. So hopefully you can use some of these tips for your own